Hello everyone, and welcome back again. So it's a little bit early yet, but I've noticed the tops have all died back on the condors, which we were hoping to get a big one from Malvern for, and I don't want to run the risk of them rotting. So we're going to have a look, see if we've got anything worth taking. So we've got 3 tubs. We've got this one here, and there's another 2 in there. So we'll have a look in this one first, then we'll go and have a look at the other ones. So I don't really have high hopes that we're going to get anything massive. Tops didn't really do very well at all on these. They died back sooner than what I'd have liked, but we're just going to dig around. I never split tube rep or anything like that. If we don't get anything big, hopefully we should get some nice seed potato for next year. A couple of small ones there. Very big. Because what I'll do next year is split the seed up. Just gonna get a tip for these. I think for next year I'll try splitting the seed up like we do with the single seed potato challenge, and I'm also going to try just getting one of the chicks. But this one was grown in basically just mud, very clay compacted, and the other 2 were grown in just leaf mould. So it'll be interesting to see the difference. Right, well, I can't feel anything else at the top, so I'll drag this bucket over there and get it emptied out. All the struggles. Potatoes, yes. What potatoes?
Show me.
That wasn't heavy. Very wet in the bottom of it.
Big one. Big one. A piece it.
Right, well, looks like this tub could do some bigger drainage holes, because that is soaking. Another one. Go put it in the compost bin. Put it in the compost bin.
The big one.
Right, so there wasn't anything big out of that tub. We're going to have a look at the other ones. If they're died back as well, I might as well bring them round and get them out as well. Note to self, next year plant them somewhere you can just empty them straight out. Right, as you can see with this one here as well, all the foliage has died back, and this one was just 2-year-old leaf mould. That is all that's gone into this. Keep them separate actually, so we can see if there's a difference in yield. Bobby, watch out the way, please, mate.
What's egg?
What is it?
Egg.
A snail. It's a snail.
Snail.
Yeah, do you want to come stand over here?
Whoa. Whoa.
As you can see, it's quite wet as well.
Sorry. What's that way?
These tubs could probably do with some extra drainage holes in them.
A tower. Oh. A tower.
Yeah, I think that's it from this one.
Right.
Right, Bobby, don't do that, please. Don't do that, making a mess. Come on now, out the way. Out the way.
The tower.
So there was only 3 potatoes in that one, but
The big one.
that's the biggest one so far.
Big one.
Still some nice looking potatoes.
The big
We're going to try and drag that other one over.
The big one. The big one. There you go.
Right, so this is the final tub. Bobby, please put that down. Where you hurt. In case you hurt. And again, this one's just leaf mould. I think I did put some comfrey in the bottom of the tub. Just some of the leaves. There's be quite a lot of small ones on the surface of this.
Daddy, a big one.
Yeah, watch out the way. Move out the way now. Come and stand here. Have a look in here for potatoes, look.
One more.
Yeah, more. Put them there.
What's that?
And that one.
Daddy, more. One. Here one. Let's find one. We're doing. More stress. More stress.
It's rubbish. Right, watch out the way so Dad can empty it then. Yeah.
Whoa! Wait a minute, number one. Oh, wait. Look, a one. A three.
Right, Bobby, don't play in this, please. There's lots of bits of pottery and glass.
A more one.
Get this out of here before we get playing in it. Seems to be a lot of smaller ones in this tub.
More one.
So I don't think
More one, Daddy.
growing them
More one, Daddy.
in well rotted leaf
More one.
mould
Daddy.
is any different really.
More. Daddy.
But unfortunately, it doesn't look like we're going to have a big one to take to Malvern. But we do have plenty there that we can use for seed for next year. And some nicely rotted down leaf mould to top up the beds. Yeah, definitely nothing big enough to take to Malvern, but should be some nice seed for next year for us, and plenty of leaf mould to mulch all these beds. I am emptying all the potatoes out into this bed. Eventually these 2 beds are going to be going, and we're going to be building something new here just for the giant veg, so keep an eye out for that. Right then guys, that is it for me today. Just like to say thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop me a comment below. Let me know how your potatoes are doing this year, because so far I've had very mixed results.